How new MLRS perform within special military operation. Tornado's multiple launch rocket system from the Western military district neutralizes and destroys command posts, warehouses with arms, munition, fuel and lubricants, communication nodes, air defense means and other targets. Tornado's multiple launch rocket system is a deeply upgraded version of Smerch MLRS. The improvement concerned munition, communication and control equipment. The developers managed to significantly increase the range, accuracy and firepower of this type of MLRS. Like its predecessor, Tornado S has 12 launchers for 300mm rockets. The system is capable of engaging targets at a substantially greater range than the Smerch. The projectiles can be launched at different distances and in different directions. This means that a single tornado dollar can destroy several of the AFU targets in a single salvo. Tornado is considered one of the best in the world and surpasses its foreign counterparts in many respects. If you like the video informative, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.